case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1936 Supreme Court case, Gully v. First National Bank, the spotlight was centered on the intersection of state and federal law. The case involved the state collector of taxes, the petitioner, filing a lawsuit against the First National Bank. The bank had assumed the debts, including taxes, of a bankrupt bank but failed to fulfill these obligations. The remaining unpaid taxes were owed to multiple entities, including the state, county, city, and school district. The central question arose as the bank argued that the lawsuit should be shifted to federal court, suggesting its roots lay in federal law. This ignited a thorough examination on whether the case contained a federal controversy, and if the taxes were recognized as lawfully imposed debts. The court had to determine if it held jurisdiction over the case, a determination that would fundamentally depend on the distinction between constitutional and United States laws. Presided over by Justice Cardozo, the court was tasked with discerning whether the legal obligations owed by the bank constituted the involvement of federal law. The petitioner challenged the bank's evasion of tax payments, arguing that the bank defied its responsibility to settle the debts it had inherited from the predecessor bank. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of the petitioner, directing the case to be remanded to both the district court and the local Mississippi court. Fundamental to this decision was the notion that each court system must respect their jurisdictional boundaries and only preside over relevant cases. Crucially, this verdict illuminated the importance of distinguishing between fundamental and incidental controversies, as well as essential disputes, with regards to jurisdiction. A salient lesson from this case is the necessity of proceeding with a common-sense approach when identifying and setting aside irrelevant issues when determining the cause of action. Justice Stone, however, was absent from this pivotal decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.